Congratulations and sincere thanks to the pharmacists all over the world for your daily great work. FIP's World Pharmacists Day 2022 theme underlines importance of professional unity. Pharmacy United in Action for a Healthier World is the theme of World Pharmacists Day on the 25th of September this year. The campaign is led by FIP every year and provides an opportunity to promote the pharmacy profession. The theme is chosen by the FIP Bureau and this year aims to showcase pharmacy's positive impact on health around the world and to further strengthen solidarity among the profession. The core duty of every pharmacist is to apply the full measure of their knowledge and abilities to support health and well-being. I invite all colleagues to take part in the campaign this year and show the world how our profession is united for health, regardless of an overcoming conflict, different politics and cultures, and economic disparity, said FIP President Dominique Jordan. Why is there a celebration called World Pharmacist Day? The purpose of World Pharmacists Day, which was brought to life at the FIP Council 2009 in Istanbul, is to encourage activities that promote and advocate for the role of the pharmacist in improving health in every corner of the world. Pharmacists are the reason why people get the best from their medicines. They are using their experience, knowledge, and expertise to make the medical world a better place for everybody. Moreover, they give access to medicines, advise people on how to properly take them and so much more. Why is it celebrated on September 25th? The Turkish members of FIP suggested the date because the FIP was established on the same day in 1912. What is the International Pharmaceutical Federation, FIP? The founder of World Pharmacists Day, the International Pharmaceutical Federation (FIP), is the global body representing pharmacy, pharmaceutical sciences, and pharmaceutical education. Through their 144 national organizations, academic institutional members and individual members, they represent millions of pharmacists, pharmaceutical scientists and pharmaceutical educators around the world. FIP is a non-governmental organization with its head office in the Netherlands. Through their partnerships and extensive pharmacy and pharmaceutical sciences network, they work to support the development of the pharmacy profession, through practice and emerging scientific innovations, and through developing the pharmacy workforce in order to meet the world's healthcare needs and expectations.